Hello, my name is Ezekiel, and this is the 0.2 update for the web building system I'm working on. I'm gonna be sharing the screen and show you the new features that I added to the editor mostly. There are other features that that have already been added, but I'm gonna share those. That's for point 3. So straight to the editor now. So on the previous update, you can see there were pages, and now there is the list of pages is different. You have it's divided between component, pages, media, data, and other. Right now, the only actives are components, pages, data, and other. Media, it's sort of placeholder. Okay, so now you can create pages. You can use components defined on the components section. So right now I'm using a sort of built-in component called HTML that adds the essential skeleton for HTML pages. So this data I added a build system. So pages can now be processed. One of the processes that it's done, for example, it's using Tailwind-like classes, which is using UnoCSS, for example. There, you can change the style of the site by using this, for example. And then you can put like something like text large, okay, to Excel, text center, text white, and okay, font semi-bold, PA7, and let's make the text just way larger. There. So this is build, and this is syncing. There's I refactored the build system and the syncing system, sorry, to be more stable. It used to be very put together. Now it's a little more stable. Still not there like how I want. If you go to the live site, you should be able to see here. Cool. Also, there is something else. You can add an icon. Since it doesn't support media files yet, it generates icons from emojis. So you could add this emoji and now save and go to the live site, and you can see it has an emoji as a favicon. If you saw there, the title of the page was untitled. You can put the title of the page here. Demo, save. You save with Command S, or you can save with this button here that saves all files. If you go to the live site, you should be able to now see the latest tab, and the title is there. I cannot show you the HTML component yet, how it's made, but it's very simple. Additionally, you can create your own components. For example, let's create a circle component. And the circle component has something like this: height 40, width 40, rounded full, background green 300. This is just a very simple component, right? But you can use it directly here, circle. Say, now you have a circle. If we change this, oh, sorry, ignore that. The command tab for changing, I'm used to changing pages We comment that that's not included in the editor yet, so I just changed the browser tab instead. Let's say I want to make the circle line block, so it centers. Okay, it's okay. No, it doesn't center. Let's center that circle differently. Using this, the code is not predefined automatically yet, but that's something I will add. Oh, and the editor now uses an actual code editor. It has highlighting, it has code completion, stuff like that. It's very basic, doesn't have many plugins and stuff integrated. Flex, item center, just with full. Okay, that's not working. Why it's not working? Not again, sorry. Anyway, maybe oh, this is sorry. So let's say you want to add some sort of parameter to the component. Let's say I want to make the circle sides parametric. Okay, let's remove this, add a style, and we can add something like height props size plus pixels width props size plus pixels. Right now the circle is gone, but you can add size 80, 100, and now you can change the size by using the component. So this is automatically included. If you want to specify the props in a more direct fashion, you can turn this very basic component into something more advanced by defining it as a function. So right now it's still working, and you can now, for example, do something like this, size 50. So now that has a default size, and if we go home and we remove this, we can have a default size, which is 50. Oh, again, sorry. All right, so something else, we can add a multi-page, and this is a sort of special page that allows you to create multiple pages. In order to accomplish this, it requires a little bit of fun, but in the future might be there will be an UI for all this. So let's say you want to have a page that takes some configuration, like let's say you're creating a blog and you want an independent page for each blog post. You don't want to create one page for each blog. You might want to have the blog posts on different on data files, as Markdown or something like that. So in order to accomplish this, you will create a page that returns a set of pages and elements. So something like this, foo, and you can hello and bar. Hello, sorry. And now save, and you can see there is multiple pages. By default, it will prefix the name of the page, but you can use an absolute bar, and now the page is full one bar. The pages also support, you can use HTML here, here and here, and title, hello, title, hello. Okay, so save, and let's go to the live site. And okay, so this is the landing page, but if you go to foo, there is a new page. And if you go to bar, there is the other page. All right. So, okay, so let's say I don't want to have the configuration here. I want to have it somewhere else. Okay, let's create the data file. Items. And now we're going to create an item. Let's say something like, okay, path, foo, and content. Hello, this is the content of the page. And another page called path. This is, by the way, this is YAML. By default, the data file is main YAML. Bar, content. This is the other content. And save. And everything on the data, it's available as variables on every component, on every page. You can use data.items, map, path, content. Sorry, a bit. And now we're gonna just do something like this, HTML, and path. Okay, I'm gonna prefix the path with this. Content, and remove all this. Let's add a title. Let's just the title be made the content too, and save. Okay, I made a mistake, and I cannot see because there is this zoom thing here. Let me see if I can move it somewhere else, or you can. Okay. Oh yes, I'm missing a bracket here. Okay, so again, 2 new pages generated from the configuration. This is just for the technically minded. This is all the pages are treated as Preact components. Preact is the framework. Well, it's sort of framework. Yeah, it's the library I'm using for rendering everything. And so everything you see, it's not actually HTML, it's JSX for those technically savvy. So anyway, so the new pages were generated, and if we go to the live site, you can see. Okay, let's make some update here. Let's go to the home page and add. Let's add flex call. Okay, I made some. What? Oh, sorry, I removed the thing here. Okay, so I'm gonna add some links. Href, foo, href, bar, foo, bar. Okay. Let's just make it like this. Okay, so then I use text large, so it's not so large. And let's add a margin top A, so it's separate the circle, class, text large. All right. And on over, I want to make the text blue. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the links don't work on the preview because of the nature of how the previews are generated. Yet there is something coming. So now you have the things. Let's make flex. Sorry, justify. No, flex center. So, okay. Oh, no, sorry. We can center, justify center. Yeah. Okay, so we go to the live site. We can now have foo bar, go to foo, and now it goes to the foo page. Go to bar, and goes to the bar page. Just to be minded, the components are rendered statically, so they're not a full-fledged Preact components that are like iterated after each generation, so you can use states, stuff like that. Yet there's something they'll add later. Yeah, you still can add stuff like script here, console log, hello, here is a script, or you can define a function like window alert me function, alert hello there, and then you could, in theory, oh well, it's probably not gonna work. I haven't tried it. So actually, yeah, it's not gonna work because the component. Okay, forget about this. Anyway, so that's it for the script. Still, it can be added to the page, but you will have to declare your own HTML component. But I'm gonna stop the preview here. Okay, I'm gonna start the preview here. Everything you see, it's already working on the editor. I haven't tried it without an account, but that's something to be added soon. So, but I mean, you should be able to use the editor, even though you shouldn't be able to deploy or upload to the server. Usually, to see the previews and everything without an account. That's something that I want people to be able to use. And yeah, and this week I have also been working on the value proposition page, which is on the landing page. So that's for another video. I haven't finished yet, but it's sort of a way to catch people's attention and make a proposal to onboard them into using the project and getting involved. So that's it for now. I'm gonna stop sharing the screen and here. Okay, so I'm not sure how long this was. Thank you for watching. See you on the next update.